as you can see. So it's Saturday morning and it's still raining. Yesterday when we were by the Alea at the fountain, you know, the rain started again, and when we basically came home it was raining once again as hard as it is now. So there were no more floodings here in Ljubljana, but there were yesterday floodings around Slovenia. Couple, as I said, couple of rivers and streams. I was wondering where is the dog. I was wondering. Yeah, a couple of streams flooded, rivers and streams flooded. Lizi, fuj! She's ne packa. She's looking for kebab and burek. I think around 10 to 15 houses were flooded. Several roads were damaged or completely destroyed, you know, washed away. Oh, and they have redone the store. I don't see anything different, especially different. Okay. Here's a ne. Yeah, I can see a lot of burek on the floor, and she smells a lot of burek, so we are going around. Yeah, you know, bar. Fortunately there were no fatalities. The closest one was some lady apparently trying to rescue livestock, some animals or whatever, and she managed to fall into the river, the stream. But fortunately for her, neighbors were there, they saw her and managed to pull her out. So yeah. Oh, I hope that you can see how much water is accumulated here and there. You know, because you know the drain is here, but the lowest point is here. Yeah. And this is how the water comes from the road to our backyard around the house. Yeah. Even the monument is flooded. Because people, you know, and then the drain is here and here. Unless there is also another drain, but you can see the upper part. Oh, almost got hit. The shaft part of the drain is almost completely covered with dirt, since, you know, they had planted the trees. So, you know, not a good thing to do. And Liza is contributing to the downpour. Naprej, nagriva, tukaj greva. Ja. Še nisi kakala. She thought that we have to go to the left to the bins, but she hasn't done the number 2. Well, she at least ate yesterday in the morning and in the evening, and couple of, oh, there is more. So yeah, you know, with all of this talking how city municipality is taking care of all these, you know, trees, Liza, kam boš šla. But you know, every rain, every a little bit stronger wind, there are 3 branches coming down. Yeah. Hopefully today is the last day, so we will have 3-day long rain session. Hopefully it will stop, because on Monday I have to go to Kran. So Kran is a smaller city north of Ljubljana, and I have to go to the archives. I have already made an appointment. So yeah, no doggo in sight. We are the only one crazy enough to be walking on a Saturday morning in the rain. Yeah, Liza wants to go home. Short walk. Yeah, nobody here. Nobody is here. Yeah, Liza is basically sleeping throughout the day. You know, you cannot be outside. And then twice a day she will say, okay, I need to go out. Plus sometimes, you know, I will ask her, do you need to go to pee? Oh, you can see quite a large limb has fallen down. Yeah, I'm always worried that someday our luck will end and we will have you know, at least a good headache, if not something worse. You know, oh, little more branches. Nice. Yeah, this is also one of the reasons why I don't like to go to the Mostets forest immediately after, you know, such a weather event, such as a major strong weather event, rain or wind, because you never know what will topple down. Oh, the rain has picked up, but yeah, so far so good. No flooding at our house. There were some floodings, apparently smaller floodings here in the area, in the neighborhood. Couple of garages were flooded, let's say there was some water in them. But yeah, okay, Liza will go number 2. So this is it for now, unless we meet another doggo. So yeah, we will see you later.